Hello all. We have already seen about theodolite traversing. In theodolite traversing, if the traverse does not close to its start point, then it is known as a open traverse, and there will be some closing error in that open traverse. So how to balance that closing error is what the topic is all about today. Balancing of the traverse. Now we know that for closed traverse, summation of latitude is equal to 0 and summation of departure is also equal to 0. But in actual practice, some closing error is always found while computing latitude and departure. Total errors are determined in latitude and departure. These errors are then distributed among the latitude and departure proportionately by the following rules. We will see how to balance the open traverse with some following rules. The first important rule that we have to learn is the Bowditch rule. Now, as far as the Bowditch rule is concerned, the formula for correction to latitude of any side is given by total error in latitude multiplied by length of that side divided by the perimeter of the traverse. That is, correction to latitude is given as CL, total error in latitude is given as summation capital L, length of that side is given as small l, and perimeter of traverse is summation of small l. Also, correction to departure of any side is given by this formula. That is, CD is equal to summation of D, capital D, that is total error in departure, length of side is small l, and perimeter of traverse is summation of small l. Now here these two are common, length of that side and perimeter of traverse is common. Only thing changing is correction to latitude will be total error in latitude and correction to departure is total error in departure. Okay, so based on this Bowditch rule, let us solve one numerical. So this is the numerical that we have to solve using the Bowditch rule. Balance the given traverse ABCDA using Bowditch rule. Now here the side is given AB, BC, CD, DA, all these sides are provided. The length of all the sides are also provided over here. And the consecutive coordinates, that is in latitude and departure, is also provided. So this table is given to us. We need to balance the given traverse ABCDA using Bowditch rule. So first we will have to see the total error in latitude and the total error in departure. Okay, so if we calculate, we know that summation of latitude should be equal to 0 and summation of departure should be equal to 0 for a closed traverse. See, for closed traverse, summation of latitude is 0 and summation of departure is 0. So let us see whether summation of all the latitude and summation of all departure is coming out to 0 or not. So when we add up all these values, we get summation of latitude as 0.66. Okay, this is not adding up to 0. Okay, it is giving some value as 0.66. So this is the total error in latitude. Similarly, let us see whether summation of departure is coming up to 0. So when we do the summation of departure, this value, it comes out to minus 0.88. This value is coming out to minus 0.88. So this is the total error in the departure. And according to the Bowditch rule, correction to latitude is given by CL is equal to summation L into L upon summation L. This is summation of capital L into small l upon summation of small l. Now, this summation latitude is the total error in the latitude. Okay, this small l is the length of that particular side. Suppose for side AB the length is this, for side BC length is this. So L is the length of that particular side. And summation small l is the perimeter of this traverse. So perimeter, how you will find out? It can be found out by adding up all the lengths. Okay, so if we add up all these length, we'll get summation L as 1049.1. Okay, when we add up all the length, we get summation small l as 1049.1. Okay, and also here summation of the correction to departure is also given by CD is equal to summation of departure into length of that side upon perimeter of traverse. Now total error in departure we have already calculated. This is the error. Okay, this is the error that we calculate for departure, and this is the error for latitude. Now let us calculate the correction to latitude for each side. So correction to latitude for each side. Now we know the formula. This is the correction for latitude. So we'll do for each side, that is first for side AB. Let us do for side AB. So for side AB, the correction to latitude is given as summation L, that is this 0.66. Now this one thing you have to keep in mind here, if the error is plus 0.66, so the correction will be negative. Okay, so here you will have to substitute minus 0.66. Okay, this thing you have to keep in mind. If the correction is, so if the error is plus, correction will be minus. Here the error is minus, so in case of departure the correction will be plus. Okay, so this is minus 0.66 into L. Now L is length of AB. We are doing for side AB. So for AB length is given as 235.1 upon summation of L, that is perimeter of the traverse. Summation of all this, that is 1049.1. Okay, so on calculating, this value comes out to minus 0.148. Similarly, we need to find out for side BC. For side BC, the correction to latitude is given as, this will be same, minus 0.66 upon 1049.1. But here length will change because length of BC is given as 317.4. Rest all values will be same only. So this will be 317.4. So CL for BC, it comes out to approximately minus 0.20. Okay. Now for CD, the correction to latitude will be minus 0.66 into, now length of CD is given as 215. Length of CD is 215 whole divided by 1049.1. So this value, it comes out to minus 0.135. And for DA, for side DA, the correction to latitude is minus 0.66 into length of DA is 281.6 upon 1049.1. So this value on calculating, it comes out to minus 0.177. Okay, so first we calculated correction to latitude. Okay, next we need to calculate correction departure for each side. Now, correction to departure is given by this formula. Okay, so first we'll see for side AB. For side AB, the correction to departure CD is given as, now here this total error in departure, error is given as minus 0.88. So as error is minus, correction should be plus. Okay, so here this value will be plus 0.88 multiplied by length of side AB is 235.1 multiplied by 235.1 divided by again the perimeter of the traverse, that is summation L. So perimeter is given as 1049.1. So this will be 1049.1 and this value comes out to 0.197. Similarly, let us calculate for each length. For BC, the correction to departure will be 0.88 into length of BC is 317.4. So this length comes out to 317.4 upon 1049.1. This value is 0.266. Now for CD, the correction to departure will be 0.88 into length of CD. Length of CD is 215. So this will be into 215 divided by 1049.1 and this value comes out to approximately 0.181. And finally for DA, for side DA, the correction to departure is 0.88 multiplied by length of DA is 281.6. So this is 281.6 divided by perimeter, that is 1049.1. So this value comes out to 0.236. Okay. Now we have calculated the correction to latitude and correction to departures. So these values we have to write down over here. That is, this is the correction column. So correction to latitude and departure. So for AB, the value came out to minus 0.148. The latitude value came out to minus 0.148. For BC it is minus 0.20. Minus 0.200. For CD it is minus 0.135. This is minus 0.135. And for DA it is minus 0.177. So for DA it comes out to minus 0.177. Similarly, the correction to departure. Now here departure values are these. Okay, so I'll simply copy these values over here. So first is 0.197, second is 0.266, third is 0.181 and fourth value is 0.236. Fine. Now you have to calculate the corrected coordinates. The corrected coordinates we have to calculate for the latitude and departure. So corrected coordinates will be just simply you have to add these values. Okay, then you will get the corrected coordinates. Now first we'll add 218.5 minus 0.148. So this value comes out to 218.352. Then 42.16 minus 0.20. This comes out to 41.960. Then this by this minus 209.49 minus 0.135. This is minus 209.625. Then minus 50.51. This is 50.51 minus 0.177. So this comes out to minus 50.687. Similarly, for departure, this will be minus 86.8 plus 0.197. This is minus 86.603. Then this add to this, it will come out to 314.856. Then this will be added to this. This comes out to 48.541. Then this will be added to this. The value comes out to minus 276.794. Now we'll check the total summation of latitude and departure. So over here, if we check the total summation of latitude and departure, when we add up all these values are added up, so it totals up to 0. Both they total up to 0. Okay, for latitude as well as departure. So when it adds up to 0, it means that we have balanced the given traverse, and this method is known as the Bowditch rule. This method is known as the Bowditch rule.